The Taj Mahal is a world-renowned monument located in Agra, Uttar Pradesh, India. It is considered one of the most beautiful architectural masterpieces and is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The history of the Taj Mahal is closely tied to the Mughal Empire and the love story of Emperor Shah Jahan and his wife, Mumtaz Mahal. Construction of the Taj Mahal began in 1632 and was completed in 1653. It was commissioned by Emperor Shah Jahan as a mausoleum for his beloved wife, Mumtaz Mahal, who passed away while giving birth to their 14th child. The emperor was devastated by her death and wanted to create a grand memorial in her honor. The Taj Mahal was designed by Ustad Ahmad Lahori, a renowned architect of the time. It is believed that around 20,000 workers were involved in the construction, including artisans, craftsmen, and laborers from all over the Mughal Empire and beyond. The building materials were sourced from various parts of India and neighboring countries. The Taj Mahal is built primarily of white marble, which was transported from the Makrana quarries in Rajasthan. The intricate decorative elements, including delicate carvings, calligraphy, and inlay work, were done using precious and semi-precious stones such as jasper, jade, turquoise, lapis lazuli, coral, and onyx. The craftsmanship and attention to detail in the Taj Mahal's design are considered exceptional. The mausoleum is set on a square marble platform, and its main structure consists of a large central dome flanked by 4 smaller domes. The central dome reaches a height of 73 meters, 240 feet, and is crowned by a finial, or gilded spire, which adds to its majestic appearance. The building is symmetrically surrounded by beautiful gardens, fountains, reflecting pools, and ornamental trees. The Taj Mahal is not only a testament to the love between Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal but also a symbol of Mughal architecture and culture. It blends elements from Persian, Indian, and Islamic architectural styles, showcasing the empire's artistic and engineering prowess. The monument attracts millions of visitors from around the world each year, who come to admire its beauty and understand its historical significance. Despite the passage of time, the Taj Mahal has endured as an enduring symbol of love and remains one of the most iconic landmarks in the world. It continues to be a source of pride for the people of India and a testament to the rich history of the Mughal Empire.